Hello, everyone. Welcome back to STEM Explained, the series where we dive into how science and technology shape the world around us. Today, we're exploring a topic that impacts every one of us: healthcare. But this isn't just about doctors or hospitals. We're going to look at how STEM is revolutionizing healthcare, making it smarter, faster, and even more effective than ever before. From developing amazing new medical devices to using artificial intelligence to spot diseases, STEM is at the heart of these breakthroughs. So, whether you're interested in biology, tech, or just about the future of medicine, this video is for you. When you think about healthcare, you probably picture doctors, nurses, and maybe medicine. But behind all of these things are teams of scientists, engineers, and computer experts working hard to solve complex problems using STEM skills. For example, engineers design robotic arms that can perform surgeries with incredible precision, or create prosthetics that respond to the wearer's signals, giving new movement to people who've lost limbs. Biologists and geneticists study DNA to understand diseases at their root, while computer scientists develop software and apps that help doctors diagnose and treat patients more quickly. Healthcare is no longer just about treating symptoms, it's about using tech to prevent illness. First, let's talk about the core medical roles, the things you think of when you think about medicine and healthcare. So, first, we have doctors. They're also known as physicians who diagnose and treat diseases and often specialize in specific areas like cardiology for heart health, dermatology for skin, and nails, pediatrics for children's health, and more. In fact, I interviewed a cardiologist, so if you're interested in learning more about this career, please check it out. Nurses also play a huge role in caring for patients, giving medications and supporting doctors. Many focus on critical care like cancer treatment or working with kids. Pharmacists are experts in medicine that help people use them safely, while medical lab technologists run tests on blood and other samples to help diagnose diseases. Now, let's talk about some other careers where STEM skills play a critical role in healthcare. So, first we have biomedical engineers. These professionals combine biology and engineering to create medical devices that save lives. From artificial hearts to advanced imaging machines, biomedical engineers design and improve these tools that the doctors use every day. Imagine building a robotic limb that someone can control with their thoughts. That's biomedical engineering in action. Next are biotechnologists who work at the microscopic level inside cells. Using technologies like CRISPR, they can edit genes to fix inherited diseases or develop vaccines for deadly viruses. Their work was essential in speeding up the COVID-19 vaccine development. Artificial intelligence developers are another group making waves. They train computers to analyze medical images like x rays and MRIs, helping spot diseases earlier than human eyes can. This can lead to faster and more accurate diagnosis and better patient outcomes. Health informatics specialists and data analysts use statistics and computer models to study health trends, predict outbreaks, and personalize treatments. Their work ensures that hospitals run efficiently and patients receive the right care at the right time. Finally, rehabilitation technology specialists design devices to improve quality of life. Whether it's a smart wheelchair or a wearable sensor that tracks muscle movement during recovery, these innovators combine empathy with technology to help people regain independence. Now, let's explore some of the most exciting developing technologies transforming healthcare. First, there's CRISPR, gene editing. Think of it as molecular scissors that can cut and replace parts of DNA. This revolutionary tool allows scientists to fix faulty genes responsible for inherited diseases like cystic fibrosis or sickle cell anemia. While ethical questions remain, CRISPR holds incredible promise for curing genetic disorders once thought impossible to treat. Next up is artificial intelligence in diagnostics. AI systems are being trained on millions of medical images to detect early signs of cancer, heart problems, and other conditions, sometimes more accurately and faster than doctors. These tools assist physicians by flagging issues early, potentially saving countless lives through early intervention. 3D bioprinting is another groundbreaking technology. Scientists use printers to create living tissues like skin, cartilage, and even small pieces of organs. This technology could drastically reduce transplant waiting lists and open up new possibilities for personalized medicine. There are also bionic eyes and neuroprosthetic devices that interface directly with the brain or nervous system to restore lost senses or control prosthetic limbs. Imagine being able to see or move again thanks to a tiny implant. Another innovation is the development of lab on a chip devices. These tiny chips can run dozens of medical tests with just a drop of blood, making diagnosis faster, cheaper, and even more accessible, especially in remote areas. And finally, wearable health technology like smartwatches, fitness trackers that are now equipped to monitor health rate, oxygen levels, and even detect irregular heart rhythms. This means healthcare is literally becoming wearable, providing continuous data that can alert users and doctors to problems before they become emergencies. Now, to wrap things up, here are some surprising facts that you might not have heard of. Did you know that fruit flies, those tiny bugs you see around fruit bowls, actually share over 60% of the genes linked to human diseases? That's why scientists use them extensively in research to understand conditions like Alzheimer's and addiction. Some cancers can now be detected through breath analysis. Special sensors can smell volatile organic compounds that change when someone has cancer, offering a non invasive way to screen for disease. Hospitals are starting to use AI powered robots to assist in surgeries, helping make procedures more precise and reducing recovery time for patients. These robots work alongside surgeons, enhancing their capabilities. During outbreaks or pandemics, some hospitals have also deployed thermal imaging cameras equipped with AI to scan for fevers at entrances, all without any physical contact. This helps identify potentially sick patients and prevent the spread of disease. At its core, healthcare is about helping people, and STEM gives us the tools to do that in smarter, safer, and more creative ways. Whether you're fascinated by biology, passionate about computers, or interested in designing devices that improve lives, there's a place for you in the future. So keep exploring and stay curious. STEM isn't just a subject you learn in school, it's a way to make a real difference in the world. If you're interested in learning more about the careers mentioned here, especially in being a doctor or a physician, check out my interview with Dr. Balkrishnan Agarwal. He's a retired cardiologist and has tons of experience in different hospitals and medical settings and is currently volunteers regularly at the NCIAP People's Medical Center. He is a valuable source of information, so if you're interested, check it out. Thanks so much for watching STEM Explained. I'll see you in the next video.